how to share notes on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can share notes on Instagram. Now basically the notes feature is the latest feature on Instagram where you'll be able to share your thought as a note. Now it'll show up on your display picture there on the online status. Now what you want to do is first you want to update your Instagram application to the latest version since it's available after the latest update. If your app isn't updated, you want to get the note feature, so you want to make sure you want to head into Play Store or App Store and you want to search in for Instagram and you want to make sure it's updated. If your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see here on the screen currently. Now next thing what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, log into your account. Here you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it there, you can see your note option there. Now if you have any note, if you have updated any note, or if your friend has updated any note, then it will show up beside their profile picture, above their profile picture, like on their active status, online status. So you want to tap on note option and you can type in what you want to type, and then you can see share with follower, share your note with followers that follow you back or only close friends. You can choose close friend list and simply tap on share and it'll show up there. So this way you can share notes on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.